Everyone. Just wanted to do a review of the market today. What we saw today was FOMC. You can see we got these highs here. That was a resistance that we could not break today. Came up and we were trying all throughout the pre-market, and we got the rejection. Um, this rejection was really random because we had this selling probably right around here. Right before FOMC happened, there was some news and we got this massive move down. But that massive move down was literally them getting themselves into testing this here, this anchored VWAP that is from the 27th of January that they've just been buying off of. Big money has been buying off as it's been supported. So you can see every single time we touch it down on the NASDAQ, it did the same thing. And then after hours, you can see market open back up futures, and they bought everything up, bought it all right up. So I thought we were going to get bullishness, but I didn't think it was going to be this bullish. But you can see they bought everything up there, so I get rid of this data. Um, then on SPY, same idea, but a SPY was actually a little bit better. They came down and they triggered it here. They triggered that, and we had that get triggered. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Let me pull up something here. X.com. We also had earnings. Where is it? I don't have it set up there, but we'll worry about that. Um, you can see after hours, well, this was not who we wanted to see. It was Microsoft. Microsoft literally fell off a cliff. They had a 15-point move down. They bought it back up and then they sold it off all the way into the close in the after hours. Complete sell off. I don't know what the earnings was, but completely sell off there. Um, but who knows? Because they've been buying this. The last time we touched here, you can see that they bought this area here. And they've been buying it. That's been solid on the 1 hour. Um, the 4 hour chart, you can see that again is a buying area that they've been buying. Tesla as well got hit, but they got hit, and I'm almost certain they had a good earnings call, and they bought it up all the way up, so it's up 1% after hours. So we'll see a nice move probably at the open. They'll probably look to try and test this area tomorrow. Um, so we'll look to try and test this area of 417. Usually we get these big moves off of earnings, so we'll get a big move off of that. Um, Apple, Apple is a big trade that we've been tracking. Came down, and we had the fibs from August 5th all the way up to here, and then we pulled back, and that's a 618. We got two tests, and since then it's up. What is the percent that it's up? We are up. We're up 9% since it tested this area at 240, 239. So I think it'll probably do something like this here, where we should get a pullback. There's those waves. So I'm thinking we get up, down, up. So you need to see a pullback there in order to get something. So that's what we want to see. We want to see that happening. Um, in AMD still beaten down, still very beaten down AMD. You can see this massive gap. This is from when we had the pull down from the DeepSeek issue. The massive drawdown. So I don't think we're gonna get a bid. This is obviously gonna, I believe it's just gonna touch here and it's just gonna reject because people are so heavily short. We have earnings coming up on February 4th. That's something to watch out for. And this is what I'm watching as well. I am watching this here on NVIDIA. Let me pull this up because this is close to being the 618, being a retracement. So we'll see if the buyers want to buy this on the daily. Um, but you can see that that area was a strong area previously before we got this buying here, right here. We got the consolidation here that held. Um, I unfortunately didn't get any trades today. I couldn't get a direction because of what was happening. Um, and the day before, my account got messed up, so I got messed up with that. Let's go through. No, not that. We'll go through Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it's still holding up in this area. This is the anchored VWAP from the election, and you can see that anchored VWAP literally is held every single time. So if you're looking for an entry buy, this is a good anchor VWAP from the entry, and then also the anchor from the election. Not from from the election. This is from the high of 108. You can see every single time we get this touch on this anchor VWAP, they buy it. So if you want to get a purchase into this, you can just buy off of it. The 4-hour chart gives you more detail. You can see it barely stays below it. And if it does get below it, they sit in this area at 92, right around this area. They're always buying off of this area. And it doesn't even stay long. There it comes, touches, and it's gone, usually. So that could be your area if you want to buy into Bitcoin. But that's just reviewing everything, the market. Um, I'm pretty sure we're going to get some sort of pullback. I'll have to see what VWAP. Where's VWAP? Yeah, this is absolute. This is going. This is from 7 o'clock all the way until now. All green candles, and I'm hoping there's some sort of pullback soon. Look at that trend. Look at that. You know, the 2 minute. See trend literally just continuing up. But there will be a pullback at some point in the futures market because there always is. But at this point, it's very bullish. Um, but you want to see, we'll see a test of this probably either sometime tonight or tomorrow. And you see if sellers want to sell it down again. But that's almost everything of what I've been going over with the market. Um, if you guys have any questions or anything, you can always send me a message. Thank you.